First, let's make my own bread improver. Mix 80 grams plain flour, 2 grams yeast, and 60 ml warm water. Cover with cling film and rest for 30 minutes. Pour all your wet ingredients into the bread maker, i.e. 240 ml warm milk, 57 grams melted butter, and 2 eggs. Add 80 grams sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 480 grams plain flour. Spread your flour carefully to cover the liquid ingredients. Now add 35 grams of powdered milk and 7 grams of yeast. Use number 8 setting, i.e. for dough, then press start. Once all ingredients are incorporated, add your bread improver. You can now leave the machine to get on with the job, and if you wish, do something else. Note, your dough is now rising. After 1.5 hours, it will look like this. When fully risen, the dough is ready to remove and roll out. Note how perfectly mixed and smooth the dough looks. Make sure to remove the puddle. Chop into 45 grams equal parts. Now add a cheese filling. You can choose any cheese. Incorporate your cheese into the center as shown. Roll in breadcrumbs. Cover with cling film and leave to rise for 1 hour. Once fully risen, they should look like this. Bake at 180 C for 10 minutes. Here is my finished pandesal prepared in my new bread maker. Fix it so easy using the bread maker. You just put all the ingredients together and turn it on, and then leave it for 1.5 hours, and you can do something else. With the breadcrumbs, it's absolutely delicious. Look just how soft it is inside. So fluffy. If you followed along here, I do hope that you enjoyed making them. You're certainly going to enjoy eating them. Also, try them hot from your microwave. Reheat for 10 seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.